Hi there. Today, I would like to talk about efficiency during a welding job. So, the first thing that may come into your mind is probably reducing the number of resources, such as personal time and energy, to achieve a peak level of performance. And this is precisely what Denyo Smart Stick system on the DLW500 ISW is made for, to improve your welding efficiency. To utilize the Smart Sticks function, adjust the idling stop timing that is between 1 to 30 minutes on the time regulator knob, and turn on the idling stop selector switch on the control panel. Let's say an ongoing weld is a distance away from the welding machine, and the welder has to be away for 10 minutes due to an emergency. Well, there is just too much hassle to dash over solely to switch off the engine. Presumably, the time regulator knob has been preset to 5 minutes. The engine will automatically stop with the idle stop operations lamp lighting up right after 5 minutes of idling. And when the welder returns to weld, this is where the Smart Stick system shines. To resume operations, you simply need to tap on the base metal with the tip of the welding electrode. Following the rhythm of the voltage that increases or decreases with the tapping of the welding electrode, the circuit can detect the irregular varying signal and the engine will automatically start up, and welding can be resumed immediately. In conclusion, our Smart Stick innovations doesn't just improve your welding efficiency, it also reduces diesel usage and excessive CO2 by shutting off the engines during no-load period. So, if you have any questions regarding the Denyo Smart Stick system, please do not hesitate to drop us an email at sales@sg.denyogroup.com. Also, keep up with the Denyo news and stories for more Denyo's technologies, new products, and recent happenings. Thank you.